Planning a trip to Ibiza and not sure how to make the most of your time with friends and family? Well, you're in the right place. Ibiza is not just about parties and nightlife, though it's great for that too. It's a vibrant island full of activities that everyone can enjoy. Whether you're traveling with little ones or adults, seeking both adventure and relaxation, I've got you covered. In this guide, we're sharing the best things to do in Ibiza. That'll ensure you leave with unforgettable memories. Let's dive in. Start your trip with a bit of culture and history at Dalt Vila, the old town of Ibiza. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is perfect for families and groups who love to soak in history while strolling through narrow, cobbled streets. Local tip: don't miss the stunning views from the top of the fortress. You'll see the entire city and its beautiful harbour. How to get there? If you're staying in Ibiza town, Dalt Vila is a short walk away. You can also park nearby and take a 10-minute walk up to the gates. Next up, a visit to Cala Comte, arguably one of the most beautiful beaches on the island. The crystal clear waters and golden sands make it a must visit, and it's perfect for families with young kids who want to paddle in shallow waters, as well as groups of friends looking to chill under the sun. Local tip: arrive early to grab a good spot as it can get crowded, especially during peak season. For the best sunset views, stick around until the evening. How to get there? Cala Comte is a 30-minute drive from Ibiza town, and parking is available nearby. For an unforgettable experience with a twist, head to Ibiza Horse Valley. This sanctuary allows you to explore the rugged landscapes of northern Ibiza on horseback. It's perfect for both experienced riders and beginners, making it a fun activity for all ages. Local tip: book a morning tour to avoid the heat and enjoy the cooler, peaceful atmosphere of the island. How to get there? Located near San Juan, Ibiza Horse Valley is a 40-minute drive from Ibiza town. Ready to slow things down a bit? Head over to Las Dalias Hippie market, where you can browse through colourful stalls offering handmade jewellery, clothing and crafts. This market has a laid-back vibe, with live music and plenty of local food stalls, making it a great spot for families and friends to relax and shop for unique souvenirs. Local tip: don't leave without trying the local food at the market stalls. The tapas here are delicious. How to get there? Las Dalias is located in San Carlos, about a 30-minute drive from Ibiza town. Parking is available, but it's best to arrive early, especially on weekends. Vedra is one of Ibiza's most iconic landmarks, a giant rock island off the west coast that's surrounded by legend and mystery. A visit here is perfect for groups who want to experience the island's natural beauty without hitting the beach. Local tip: there's a viewing point near Cala Comte where you can take in the spectacular scenery. Pack a picnic and stay for the sunset. It's magical. How to get there? Vedra is accessible by driving to the Cala Comte area, which is about a 25-minute drive from Ibiza town. Once there, follow the signs to the Vedra viewing point, which is a short walk from the car park. For a day of water-based fun that kids and adults will love, visit Aguamar Water Park. With a variety of water slides and pools, it's the perfect spot for families to cool off and enjoy a fun day together. Local tip: if you're visiting during peak season, buy your tickets online in advance to avoid long queues. How to get there? Aguamar Water Park is located near Playa d'Embossa, about a 10-minute drive from Ibiza town. No trip to Ibiza is complete without exploring the island from the water. Whether it's a relaxed family boat ride around the coastline or a lively catamaran trip with friends, Ibiza offers plenty of boat tours that cater to all kinds of groups. Local tip: Book a boat trip to the stunning island of Espalmador, a small, uninhabited island between Ibiza and Formentera. Famous for its white sandy beaches and shallow, crystal-clear lagoons, it's an ideal spot for a peaceful day of swimming and sunbathing. How to get there? Most boat tours depart from Ibiza town or San Antonio. If you're in the mood for a day trip, don't miss Formentera. Just a 30-minute ferry ride from Ibiza town, this island boasts some of the most beautiful beaches in the Mediterranean. Think pristine sands and crystal-clear waters. Local tip: rent a bike to explore the island at your own pace. The ferry departs frequently from Ibiza town, so you have flexibility in your schedule. For an adventure that's off the beaten path, head to the Canmarca caves in the north of the island. These ancient caves are full of fascinating rock formations and hidden waterfalls. It's a great activity for families who want to experience something different while escaping the heat of the day. Local tip: the guided tours are great for learning about the cave's history, and they often end with a light and sound show inside the caves. How to get there? Canmarca caves are about a 30-minute drive from Ibiza town, and parking is available at the entrance. After a fun-filled day, treat yourself to some local cuisine. Ibiza is home to a variety of beachside restaurants where you can savor fresh seafood, paella, and traditional tapas. Local tip: try a meal at El Chiringuito, located on Escavale Beach, for delicious Mediterranean cuisine in a family-friendly atmosphere. It's advisable to make a reservation to secure a table with stunning beach views. How to get there? El Chiringuito is about a 15-minute drive from Ibiza town, with parking available nearby, or you can take a taxi for a quick and easy trip. Alternatively, Esboldado, located at Cala Comte, offers stunning views along with delicious food, making it another great option for savoring local flavors with a view. And there you have it, some of the best things to do in Ibiza with friends and family in 2024. Whether you're after beaches, culture, adventure, or simply a great day out, this island truly has something for everyone. Which one of these Ibiza experiences will make it to your itinerary? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more travel videos. Happy travels, and we'll see you in Ibiza.